Alrighty, welcome back to Leap Farms. It is December 31st. We got to get all the hours down for the tractors. So the first one is the John Deere 3020 Power Shift Diesel, 1968. Let's get the hours for this. So the hours on it is 661 hours. All right, let's get that wrote down. All right, there we go. Got that wrote down. Let's go do the 950 next. Here is the 1979 950 John Deere. Let's get the hours for this. That would be 811. All right, let's get that wrote down. All right, so there's that. We're gonna go get the skid loader now, so let's go get that. While I walk over to it, here is the 1240 planter. Got it all fixed up, got it from the neighbor. It's pretty nice. Might as well show you the other thing we got. We got a New Holland rake and a Dayton gravity wagon and a new mower. We got rid of the sickle mower. So now we got a R200 disc mower. Same length as the sickle bar, just it's a lot better. We sold that, so that's pretty good. And I got another planter sitting outside I'm working on, but since we don't need this anymore, we're gonna try to sell that. So that's for sale. Let me know if you want it. $1,350 or best offer. Well, let's head in and get the hours for the skid loader. This gets quite a bit of use, so we gotta get these. What is that? Can't tell. Turn the flashlight on here. All right, $14.89. All right, we'll get that wrote down. Can't remember if the battery is in the old trusty lawnmower, but we will see. It is not, so I can't get the hours on it. So I will get that whenever I get a battery out here. All right, I'm gonna go get these all added up. The 3 tractors, or 2 tractors and that, and we'll be back with you. Since I'm out here, I should show you the 494 planter. So here it is. There's 2 squirrels out there. But this is the 494A I'm working on. Took the tire off the one side. I gotta get another tire for this side. But yeah, it's all complete. Everything turns over. Just gotta grease it up more, get all the odds and ends done for it. I got another thing I'm gonna show you, so let's head down there. As I get closer, you'll see that we're going down our little hill here. We're going out to the field here. Well, you know that we got the 2 plows, and we got an old wheel rake here, but we got a new implement. It's the International 12-foot cultivator. Yeah, got it for pretty cheap. 3-digit number. That's pretty much that. A little heavy with the track 3020, but it pulls it well. I'm gonna bring up the gauge wheels a bit more so it goes on the ground a bit farther. Just loosen those two. Should be good. But let's head inside and we'll go calculate all the hours. So we'll meet you inside. Here's a clip of the International cultivator behind the 3020. It worked pretty good. Here's a clip of me sitting on the seat recording. Well, here's the hours. 3020 only had 5 hours. Really surprised on that. The 950 had 31 hours. I did use that quite a bit, but I'm surprised the 3020 didn't have as many hours. I was figuring at least 20 hours on it from this year, but that's all right. The skid loader had 69 hours on it because we used that to move hay, shit, all sorts of stuff. I didn't do the cub because that's not done yet from being restored. And I didn't get the lawnmower because the battery's out, so I'll get that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be doing it next year for 22. So I'll be writing these hours right here, over here. And we'll get for next year. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out my TikTok, Leaper Farms 2021. It's gonna be 22 pretty soon here. But yeah, have a happy New Year's.